Did you know that corn plants have male flowers and female flowers in separate parts of their bodies? And the pollen from the male flowers travels on the wind, either from this plant or from the plants around it. And a pollen kernel has to land on every single corn silk, which will travel down the ear to become every single kernel of corn. So when you get a cob of corn that doesn't have very many kernels on it, it means that it wasn't fully pollinated. And to make sure that corn pollinates well, you need to plant a block of it. At least 5 feet by 5 feet is ideal. Planting it in long rows doesn't work well because the pollen falls and travels on the wind, and that's how it travels from the male flowers to each little silk and down to grow into a sweet, juicy kernel of corn.